This initial solution will show you how to create invoice in Excel. So first of all, open your Microsoft Excel and click on the search box here and type invoice, and you will get lots of templates here. You can pick any of them to customize. So I'm going to selecting the first one and clicking on create. And now I can easily customize this invoice template according to my requirements. So I'm going to selecting the company name and giving my company name here. So select the part you want to edit or change. That's how you'll be able to edit the template here. And after that, click on file, click on save, and click on browse, and select a folder or destination to save the invoice and click on save. And this is how we can create invoice in Microsoft Excel. If you find this video helpful, make sure to subscribe Initial Solution. See you in the next video.